In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to install the Debutify theme on Shopify, a widely popular choice for enhancing your e-commerce showcase. Our journey begins with the installation process, commencing from the Debutify website. So, the first thing you'll need to do is steer your browser towards the Debutify website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. If you are already a member, simply log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will need to visit the site's theme section or dashboard, as this is where you'll find the coveted Debutify theme ready for download. Upon locating the theme, go ahead and download it. You will notice that the file of the theme is in a zip format, a common format for downloadable content on the internet. With the Debutify theme downloaded and saved on your device, you're ready to voyage forth to the second phase of the process, uploading the theme to Shopify. You'll begin this by navigating your way to your Shopify admin station. Once there, move towards the online store option and from its drop-down list, select Themes. In this Themes section, you'll find a subsection named Theme Library. In this library, you'll see an option to add a theme. Upon clicking it, an option to upload a zip file would pop up. Here, you need to select the Debutify theme.zip file that you have previously downloaded. Go ahead, click on that file, and then hit the upload button. At this point, you just need to patiently wait for the upload to be completed. This might take a couple of minutes. Once the upload is done, the Debutify theme would majestically appear in your theme library. Mission accomplished? Not just yet. It's time to swing into the final, most satisfying section of our tutorial, publishing the theme. For this, scrape the surface of your theme library, and there you'll find the freshly uploaded Debutify theme. Affixed to the theme, you'll find a button that reads Publish. Clicking on it will make Debutify your new live theme. Alternatively, before you go live, you have the option to customize the theme. For this, instead of the Publish button, you click on Customize and begin the process of setting up your store. This allows you to take a personal spin on how you want your store to look when it goes live. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully installed the Debutify theme on Shopify. Congratulations! Your online store is all set to debut in style. Don't forget to preview your store to see the magic Debutify adds to your e-commerce